plotting of the plate, which we have done on this plate. I will talk a little bit more about the calibration. As you can see, we have three servos, and the bottom servo is controlling the whole assembly. So, getting those points correct and making it right, it is actually wobbly because of the bottom servo trying to control the assembly. So, every time we change the position of the pen, every time we tighten the screws, loosen the screws, this was getting kind of messed up. So after getting to an optimal solution, we kind of glued everything together, and then it works great now. But still, if you can see, because of the pen position and because of some screws are loose, you can see them wobbling. But what our idea basically was, like the game, connect the dots. If the dots are closer, we could connect it with a straight line. So we tried to do that, and now you could see the output. So, and yes, what we promised was up counter and down counter, but we thought that we could do the clock too, because it is basically say 0 to 9 digits, and you just have to reset it at every 1 minute interval. So over to the demo now. Yeah, any questions? Yes,
yeah,
manually.
Yeah, it's just like a lookup table, and then we are just reading the values and it just goes to that context.
And we did those things minimum 4 to 5 times, and every time it took 5 hours to actually go there. You could see this plate is quite messed up with those points, where to go and what points to add. So, any questions? Oh, okay. So, so we'll be starting with the computer reset so that there is a glare coming. Do you have any notebook or something? Paper? Yeah, you could just down a little bit. Oh, you can see the board now, correct? Yeah. So I'll just do a reset. So we gave these points comprehensively to erase everything, because some bits were remaining, because less number of points were used. So this is a greeting message, ECE.
How do you go from erase to write?
We made functions and
different functions.
No, but is there like a different? Look like it's writing off to the right.
it keeps that eraser on the side.
No, I think he asked how we can.
It switched from a pen.
Yeah. Yeah, the pen sticks in this eraser. There is a hole in the eraser. The pen goes right into it. Oh, yeah, this looks good. So first I will give this counter mode. So counter, this is up counter, so I am basically setting the maximum value for up counter. Let's give it 10. So yeah, up counter set to 10. So it will count from 0 to 10. Yeah, there's a servo below.
There's a server below.
There is one more design which is pretty stable. Yeah, that would need more time, but in that design, the servo had nothing to do with the main assembly of the writing arm. It just lifted the slate up and down. So it was pretty stable. So this was the counter mode. Let's go to the clock mode. But you would have to wait for 1 minute, and 1 minute is pretty long if you keep watching. So here's the clock mode now. Our current time is 6:29.
What's the highest number you've ever seen? What's the highest number you've ever seen?
This time set of 6:29. When out it updates it. Just curious.
Yeah.
Right.
So do you have any games for 1 minute?
Take this minute to fill out your course evaluation. That's all already. Or to return your exam. So how hard would it be to have a switch control demo of the clock? So you just write up,
Oh,
Yeah.
not much. That is easier than what we are trying to do. So, because it stops because we are trying to feed the current time, and then it will keep on updating.
So when you display the time, is there a colon?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, sweet.
that looks good. That is the best part. Yeah, so 1 minute is up.
How does it know that it's done erasing?
We have provided a set of points to it, so it's not like we have sensors to check. So it's 6:30 now. So after 1 minute,
Still again.
it will again.
6:31 clock for 1 minute.
And the problem is it takes 2 minutes to rewrite it after the thing. Okay.
Any more questions?
Any questions?
Or clapping means we are done.
I'd offer you a special cookie, but they're on. Nice job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. It was peaceful.
Yes, how much sleep have you guys gotten in the last 3 days?
Well, it was like 2 hours a day.
More of a